Chapter 8 Pit Pat's Journey. Get set. How does water travel from the ocean to the clouds and back to the ocean? Write the numbers in the circles. Seas and oceans, air or sky, clouds, rain, hills or plains, rivers, back to the ocean. This is page number 85. Page number 86. Pit Pat, the raindrop, was sleeping on a wave in the ocean. As the sun rose, he opened his eyes lazily. The day grew warm. Soon it was very hot. Pit Pat stretched his arms and looked up. There was a dark grey cloud in the sky. It looked cool. Just then, Pit Pat felt lighter and warmer. He was rising up in the air. Soon, Pit Pat was in a cloud. He met many drops there. One of them was Drip Drop. Oh, it's really hot. That dark place really looks cool. It will be nice up there. Hello, I am Drip Drop. Have you come for a ride too? Hi, I come to cool off. It was so hot in the ocean. Where am I and what are those fluffy things? Now, page number 87. You are with other tiny drops of water. The fluffy things are clouds. Lots of drops like you and me joined together to form a cloud. Where is the cloud going? To those mountains there. It looks like there's going to be a storm. Get ready for some excitement. It is going very fast. Suddenly, there was thunder. The cloud began to bounce. The tiny raindrop joined each other to form large drops. The large drops became very heavy. Turn on page number 88. Pit Pat and Drip Drop got ready to fall on earth as rain. A lot of other raindrops joined them and they all began to fall down together. Look, Drip Drop, that would be a good place to land. Woofy, here we come. Pit Pat and Drip Drop looked down. As they fell, they saw a little stream flowing through some field. They slid down a rock and fell on a leaf floating down the stream. This is fun. Smell the fresh air. Hey, we are going faster. After some time, the stream joined a river and the river later joined the ocean. Now page number 89. So, Pit Pat and Drip Drop flowed back into the ocean. Every second, every day, millions of drops of water go on this journey. We are moving slowly now. We are joining the river. When the sun shines brightly, they get very hot. They rise up as air. In the sky, they join other drops to form clouds. The clouds fall on earth as rain. This is where I started. We are back in the ocean. Now chapter is completed and आगे पढ़ते हैं complete chapter. Read and understand. This is question number A. Tick the correct answers. Pit Pat was raindrop, cloud. He was sleeping on a cloud wave. Page number 90. Pit Pat wanted to go up to the fluffy things because they looked cool, beautiful. Pit Pat met dash on the cloud. Chin Chan, drip drop. The fluffy things that Pit Pat saw were the clouds, snow. Right, yes or no? Pit Pat was feeling very cold. The dark grey cloud looked very hot. The tiny raindrop in the clouds joined each other. The large drop became heavy. A stream was flowing through some field. Pit Pat and Raindrop flowed back to the ocean. Answer these questions. What did Pit Pat see in the sky? What did Pit Pat and Drip Drop see as they fell from the clouds? How did Pit Pat and Drip Drop finally reach the ocean? Now here are some words. Word wise. Contractions. Word train. Say these words aloud. TR, ट्र, TR से बनता है ट्र, TREE, ट्री, TRIP, ट्रिप, TRAIN, ट्रेन, TRUCK, ट्रक, TRACK, track. You know, TR for tr, track. Now this is DR, 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 DRAW, draw, DRIVE, drive, DRINK, drink. This is drip. This is dress. I am is the short form of I am. This is am is the short form of I am. Write the full forms of the short forms given below. Choose from the box. I will, you have, did not, she is, they are, is not. This is you have. This is did not. And we say didn't. Or you can say didn't. Isn't. She's. They are. I'll. And we will call it I will. This is they are. We will read it. They are. She is. This is she's. You have. Didn't. Okay. Now make a word train. Write a word that begin with the last letter of the word before it. Cloud, dog, gate, eat, tin, nest. Now punctuation. Punctuation. Full stop, question mark. We put a full stop. This is full stop. We put a full stop At the end of a sentence, if we ask for something, we put a question mark. This is question mark. Put a full stop or a question mark at the correct places. Pit pat. I feel so afraid of thunderstorms. They make so much noise. Drip drop. Drip drop. The noise is thunder and what you see is lightning. Pit pat. What makes lightning? Drip drop. Raindrops bump into each other and make lightning happen. Understand grammar. Conjunctions. Read these sentences. Pit pat stretched his arms. Pit pat looked up. Pit pat stretched his arms and looked up. There are these grapes? Are these cherries? Are these grapes or cherries? Words like and, but, and no, and or. Join sentences or words. These are called joining words. तो हम कंजक्शंस को कहते हैं joining words. तो कंजक्शन कौन कौन है? and, but, or. Fill in the blanks with and or. Are you a boy or a girl? Both yellow and pink are color. Put on your socks or shoes. Put on your socks and shoes. You can either have an ice cream or some juice. Oranges and apples are fruits. Circle the correct word within the bracket to complete the paragraph. Look at my house. It is red and white. It has a living room, 2 bedrooms, and a kitchen. My bedroom is pink and pink is my favorite color. Because my bedroom is pink because pink is my favorite color. We have a computer. We don't have a television. We have a computer but we don't have a television. We eat in the kitchen, in the dining room. We eat in the kitchen or in the dining room. Use grammar. Play this game in groups of 4. Write 4 pairs of words like the ones given below on 4 slips of paper: ice cream, cold, tea, hot, shoes, socks, apple, banana. Fold the slip. Each child picks up a slip. Use the joining word or, but, and to make sentences with the words written on the slip. Read your sentence out aloud to the group. Take turns. Ice cream is cold but tea is hot. Listen carefully. Your teacher will read out a few sentences. Listen carefully and tick the correct word in each pair. 8. This is also 8. दोनों की साउंड एक जैसे आती है, दोनों के मीनिंग अलग अलग है. 8 मीन्स खा चुका एंड दिस इज नंबर 8. होल का मतलब पूरा एंड इस होल का मतलब है छेद. Pear. Pear means joda and pear means nashpati. Week. This is week. Come. Saptah. WEEK week means kamzor. Speak well. Word with a partner. Pretend to buy things. You can be the shopkeeper and your partner the buyer. Partner. May I have a box of crayons, please? You. Yes, sure. You may use these phrases. Have you got dash, please? May I have? Please give me. Here you are. Thank you. Write well. Reena asks Sona some questions. Read Sona's answer. Write the questions which Reena must have asked Sona. Reena, is this your ball? Sona, yes, this is my ball. Reena, who? Sona, my uncle brought it for me. Reena, have? Sona, no, I have not seen your toys. Reena, do. Sona, yes, I want to play with you. Reena, how? Sona, I will go home on my bicycle. Do and learn. Get into groups of 5. Do this activity. Take a cotton ball. Pretend that you are holding a cloud. How does the cloud feel? Heavy or light? Place your cloud on some water in a bowl. Gently pick up the cloud from the bowl. How does it feel now? Light or heavy? What drips from the cloud? Yes, it is rain. Life skills. Which water do you think is safe to drink? Color the water drop blue if you think it is safe to drink. Color the water drop red if it is not safe to drink. River water, bottled water, sea water, boiled water, tap water, filtered water. Class project. Find out about your friend or partner. Ask the following questions. What kind of clothes does she or he like to wear? Which game does she or he like to play? What kind of storybooks does she or he read? Why do you like your friends? Now, tell your friend about yourself. I like to wear. I like to play. I like to read. Work with your partner. Talk about 3 things that tree gives us. Tree need to grow. Children do with trees. Now your chapter Pit Pat is finished. इसको आप ढंग से याद कर लीजिए, पढ़िए और हर एक वर्ड को याद रखिएगा. ओके, थैंक यू.